3 reasons why network marketers struggle financially. What up, you got Mr. Smith, point five with Mr. and Mrs. Smith, and I help network marketers increase their net worth every 30 days by $888 and been doing it for years. But 3 reasons why network marketers struggle financially. Number 1, they think that them building a business is all about recruiting. Now, I will say this, a lot of network marketing companies, they shove down your throat the idea of recruiting to get rich. Not that it is impossible, but not for most people when you just do the math. More on that in another video, but they always talk to you about recruiting, selling. Well, you being in business is way more than you just selling and recruiting. That's a good part of it, but when I teach people like network marketers how to increase their net worth every 30 days, it's way more than about recruiting. It's about you as an individual building wealth overall. If you want more information on that, link in the comments so you can get access to our system that helps you and network marketers build net worth every 30 days. That's reason number 1, thinking it's all about recruiting. Reason number 2 is really just not understanding your overhead. You see, a lot of people spend so much money on their products and they have a lot of their products in the garage just because they're trying to meet a certain quota. Meanwhile, they're not even selling what it is that they've paid for. So they're just accumulating it, hitting the data points that your upline wants you to hit. But if you're buying these products, not selling them, that's digging into your pocket. I've heard horror stories of people running up credit card debt just to make sure that they're able to hit certain quotas and purchase certain products. Meanwhile, they're not selling it. They can't use it enough. They got to give it away. But that's cutting into your cash flow on a regular basis. And that's causing you as a network marketer to struggle financially, or someone that you may know to struggle financially just off of that alone. So you got to understand your overhead. Got to understand not to just be buying a product just to be buying a product or just to hit some quota that's not really helping you increase your bottom line. That's hurting you. Very important. And last but certainly not least, financial illiteracy. A lot of times they don't understand that them as a business owner, being a network marketer is a business owner. You can be a sole proprietor and benefit from over 400 tax deductions. That's what we teach. We teach people, listen, you being a network marketer is more than just about you recruiting and selling product and building a team. All of those are fun and amazing things that you can do that can create legacy and leverage. However, when you understand financial literacy, you look at the things that you do differently. And every 30 days, if you do it correctly, your net worth should be increasing. Your debt should be going down. Your credit score should be going up. Your investment should be going up. And that's what we teach people to do. And that's what we've been teaching people to do for years. If you're interested in that and knowing how you can increase your net worth every 30 days to the tune of $800 every 30 days of increased net worth, some more, depending on your situation, then I highly recommend you check out the link and take action to get access to everything that we have. This is not for the person who, is closed-minded to new ideas and new opportunities. This is not for the person who is happy completely with where you are. If you already have the network that you desire and deserve to have, you're already in position for early retirement, this might not be for you because you may already know some of the things that we're talking about. However, if you had that open mind and you know that what I'm saying has some level of truth, check out the link in the comment. And once you check that free information out, take action so you can get access and take advantage of what we have, and you can be a part of the number of people who are increasing their network every 30 days. See you on the next one. Signing out. Salute.